Okay, so by now you should have your state colored in. You should have your official bird or state bird, your official fish or state fish, what the weather's like, a picture of your flag, and the capital of your state. All right. So now we're going to talk about some landmarks and monuments in Arkansas. First, landmarks are natural or artificial features used for navigation. So, navigation is to tell you how to get somewhere. So, these landmarks help you know where you're at. And then, monuments are structures created to represent a person or event. So, they're like statues. The first things we're going to talk about are landmarks. And the first landmark is Central High School, which is located in Little Rock. And here's what it looks like. This is once again Central High School in Little Rock, which is where the first 9 African Americans came to school in Arkansas. Okay, the next one is Arkansas Post, which this was a place used for the Civil War battle. They also have nice hiking trails there. But this is a picture of Arkansas Post. And one of the hiking trails, so you could go on there if you wanted to visit it. Okay. The next one is Bathhouse Row, which is located in Hot Springs. This is what it looks like, Bathhouse Row. You can read a little bit about it at the bottom if you would like. And this is where they have bathhouses where you can actually go in and sit in the water, and it's like natural spring water and it's already hot. Never been there. I think it'd be pretty cool though. And the last one are the Tall Tech Mounds, which I actually went to on a field trip when I was in school. And they are the tallest prehistoric mounds in Arkansas. They kind of look like hills. But they're the tallest prehistoric mounds in Arkansas. Okay. And next, we're going to talk about some monuments. Remember, they're the structures that are built for somebody or an event, kind of like statues. And the first structure or monument we're going to talk about is the Little Rock Nine. So these are the people that went to school at the Little Rock High School, and they made statues of each of them. And this is also located in Little Rock. And these are the first 9 African Americans that went to school there. Okay, the next monument is called Christ of the Ozarks. Kind of looks like a big Jesus. Christ of the Ozarks. There you go. Okay. The next one is the Veterans Wall of Honor. And on this statue right here, it says Veterans Wall of Honor. It might be a little blurry. But this honors all our veterans. Okay. The next one is the Coal Miners Memorial, which is a memorial for coal miners. Okay. And then the last one is the B-17 Memorial Park. And this is actually located in Sheridan, which is where I'm from. And I've been here before. And my great-grandpa actually has a stone here with his name on it. So I think it's pretty cool. So those are the monuments. And here is how to spell them. To write them down on your paper. We got the first one was the Little Rock Nine. And then it was the Christ of the Ozarks, the Veterans Wall of Honor, Coal Miners Memorial, and B-17 Memorial Park. Okay, the next thing we're talking about is some state parks in Arkansas. I'm only going to talk about 4, but there's way more than these 4. If you would like to look them up, just look them up. And if you want to write down a different 4 that's on my list, then you can go right ahead. The 4 I'm going to show you pictures of are Mount Nebo State Park, Lake Darnell State Park, Petit Jean State Park, and Mount Magazine State Park. If you want to pause the video so you can write some of these down, go ahead and do that. The first one, though, is Mount Nebo, and I'm sure a few of you have been there. That's what it looks like, Mount Nebo. Here's one lookout area, and here's another one. They have different trails you can hike down, different places you can sit and just look out. It's really pretty. Okay. The next one is Lake Dardanelle State Park. I'm sure some of you have been there as well. This is just a picture of like the convention center there. And then the water and some rocks. Once again, that's Lake Dardanelle, which is obviously located in Dardanelle. The next one is Petit Jean, which is another mountain. This is a cliff there. It's really pretty. And a waterfall. A lot of my friends go here and take pictures. Petit Jean State Park. And then there's Mount Magazine, which is located in Little Rock. And lastly is Arkansas agriculture. So here we have corn, rice, soybeans, cotton, and poultry, which poultry is like chicken and turkey. There's more than just these 5, but these are the 5 I'm letting you know about. Corn, rice, soybeans, cotton, and poultry. Alright, so on the next video, you'll have the rest of the answers.